Okay, so today we're opening up the FixMeStick virus removal device. This one is specifically for PCs, but they also make them for Apple products. This one can work on up to 3 PCs for 1 year. So the first thing that I noticed and love is that this was created by a man named Corey for his mom, because I'm going to be honest, I feel a little bit more and more like my own mother the more tech comes into my life. So something that is simple and made for people like me is perfect. So this uses multiple different types of softwares for scanning, and that will supposedly make sure they don't miss anything. I also really just love the aesthetics of the packaging. All right, so here it is, your FixMeStick. It's just a little stick that you put into your USB port on your computer. So everything seems pretty easy so far. Let's try it out. So I just plugged it in, and already the setup is super simple. In the File Explorer on my computer, there is a little icon for the FixMeStick. Click on that, and now it's asking me if I want to allow the app to make changes to your device. The answer is yes. Please fix this. Can I say how much I love how simple this is? I feel like there is an IT guy just sitting here with me, walking me through the process. So let's do it. Let's reboot. And now we're here. Computer status is safe so far. So it's going to complete these 6 steps, and then it'll tell me what my results are, give me the option to delete the corrupted files if there are any, and then the computer reboots and you're all done. So this is just extremely easy, which is what I love. I highly recommend you look into one of these. They have them for PC and Mac, and they're just perfect to have on hand because you never know when some sketchy website is going to just ravage your computer, and you don't want to be stuck without help. Check this out, FixMeStick.
Hey folks, this is Chris with Reliable Computer Repair. One of my regulars, Maria's here. She just brought in a computer that's not running well.
Hi. A few weeks ago, I noticed that my computer wasn't running quite as smoothly as it normally does. It's taking a really long time to boot up.
Well, there's a number of things that would cause that, and I've been doing this for quite a while, so I do have suspicion of what might the issue be. So why don't you come right this way? We'll just boot this up and take a quick look.
Okay.
All right? That's taken a long time, just like you said. Let me introduce you to a secret hack of mine. This is called FixMeStick. It scans a computer for viruses and malware. It's a USB, you just look for a port to plug it in. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it on the side of your computer right there. And in case you didn't know, FixMeStick runs on a Linux operating system, and it's housed actually right here on the thumb drive itself. So doing it this way allows you to run antiviral software, but you're not running it on the actual hard drive that you're trying to scan, which enables FixMeStick to detect viruses that other antiviral software can't. Now let's start the scan. This could take a while, but let's see if we can find anything right off the bat. The first thing it's going to do is connect to the internet and update itself with all of the latest virus definitions. In fact, it combines all of the latest scanners from top antivirus companies. You know, new viruses are being created all the time, which is why FixMeStick continually updates itself. See, it's updated and scanning now. Now, look at that, just like I suspected, you have a virus. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna click on Clean Computer, and you are good to go.
I was literally going to junk this computer.
No need to do that because we fixed it right up. So let's go ahead and reboot this thing and see how it goes. You ready to try this one more time?
Okay.
Here we go. Boom, wow.
That literally took no time at all.
Right?
So can I use this on all my computers?
Yes, of course you can, but as long as they're, 2001 and later.
Okay.
Oh, and you can also buy FixMeStick for Macs as well. And another thing, and I'm not trying to put myself out of business here, but I highly recommend you use FixMeStick on all your computers regularly, okay?
I will.
All right. All right, folks, there you have it. This is Chris with Reliable Computer Repairs. We'll see you next time. So long for now.
When I first started using the FixMeStick, I used it on my computers. I tried it on friends' computers. Every single one of them had some sort of malware, even though they had virus protection up front, and the FixMeStick was able to clear all of them out.
I bought FixMeStick for home use, and it worked so well, I brought it to the office and I gave it to our IT department. Now they're using it to fix viruses they couldn't fix before without it.
I love FixMeStick customer service because I can call them, reach another person at the end of the line who's helpful, friendly, and explains things to me in a way that I understand them.